Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel NNP Xauusd Gold Research Analyst. In this introduction video, I am going to briefly explain about my own strategy for Forex markets like currencies and commodities, especially in gold scripts. I'm having 13 years of experience in trading financial markets with 85% of accuracy. In my strategy, I'm having entry with multi-averaging concept, maximum 3 to 4 averages, and will book the lots in profits. We'll do the trade based on trend with buy or sell pressures. Will show my entries in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe NNP Xauusd Gold Research Analyst channel to see my upcoming videos. For any clarification, kindly ping me on nnpxauusd@gmail.com.